Alabama has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones is between 8:52 p.m. on Sunday and 9:52 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Montgomery, Alabama, is 8:52 p.m. on Sunday. Alaska has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones is between 4:52 p.m. on Sunday and 5:52 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Juneau, Alaska, is 5:52 p.m. on Sunday. Here are some results. Indonesia has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones is between 8:52 a.m. and 10:52 a.m. The time in Jakarta is 8:52 a.m. Russia has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones is between 3:53 a.m. and 1:53 p.m. The time in Moscow is 4:53 a.m. The time in Vladivostok, Russia, is 11:53 a.m. The time in Israel is 4:53 a.m. The time in Yemen is 4:53 a.m. Brazil has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones is between 8:53 p.m. on Sunday and 11:53 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Brasilia is 10:53 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Fernando de Noronha is 11:54 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Utah, United States, is 7:54 p.m. on Sunday. The United States of America has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones is between 3:54 p.m. on Sunday and 9:54 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Washington, D.C. is 9:54 p.m. on Sunday. The time in the United Kingdom is 2:55 a.m. The time in France is 3:55 a.m. The time in Paris, France, is 3:55 a.m. The time in the Philippines is 9:55 a.m. The time in Beijing, China, is 9:55 a.m. The time in Ukraine is 4:55 a.m. The time in Thailand is 8:56 a.m. The time in Italy is 3:56 a.m. In Moscow, Russia, it's 66 with light rain. Today, there will be light rain with a high of 68 and a low of 61. It's expected in Talisay until 9 p.m. It'll be cloudy in Talisay today and approximately 0.05 inches of rain is expected. It'll rain approximately 0.69 inches in Moscow today. The time in Georgia, United States, is 9:57 p.m. on Sunday. The time in Germany is 3:57 a.m. In the Bicol region, it's 83 with light thunderstorms. Today, there will be heavy thunderstorms with a high of 85 and a low of 76. The time in France is 3:58 a.m. Arizona has multiple time zones. Right now the time in these zones